What is going on, everyone? It is Mark here with another video, and today we have another question and answers. We haven't done one in a while, so I figured today is the day that we're doing it. So I reached out to you guys on Twitter. A few of you guys replied to me, a few guys slid into my DMs. For those in my DMs, feel free to just post on my Twitter. It's fine. You don't have to make it private. Unless you want to make it private, that's fine as well. Before we get into today's questions and answers, shameless plug, if you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. If you already are subscribed, feel free to hit that notification button. What that will give to you is pretty much a notification once a video is uploaded from this channel. So that means I want to share something with you, and if you guys want to watch, that notification button is all for you. Anyways, jumping right into today's questions. Will you get the iPhone 11 when it comes out, or will you stick with the 10? I feel that once they release and announce and get everything going for the iPhone 11, I am sure I will somehow be convinced into purchasing it. Will I stick with it? Maybe. Will I stick with I'm not sure. I will for sure purchase it to review it, and then from there we'll see if it becomes my daily driver. Is that a good enough answer? I'm really excited for it. Could you do a speaker shootout and best gadgets under a certain price point? Would be a fun video. Also, you should do a series where you go to thrift shops and buy multiple tech related items and see if they're any good by rating them dope or not. Thanks, Mark. Love what you do. Okay, so I got 3 questions in one, and I'm gonna answer all of them. Do a speaker shootout. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Maybe comparing speakers. Okay, absolutely, we'll do that. And best gadgets under a certain price point. It's like you're reading my mind. Guess what's on its way from Amazon right now? Exactly 5 gadgets under the price point of X. That price point is bigger than the last one, and that's going to be the next video that's being released. Thrift shopping, that is actually a great idea. I could do like a little vlog segment and then bring it back here. I will probably do that. That's actually a great idea. Okay, third question. How is the new build? Well, I struggled with Windows for a little bit, and then I struggled with the whole building thing a little bit. But moral of the story is everything is fixed. There's a video coming about the performance and what it's like to have that PC, but let me tell you, it was no easy task. I built it over a night, and then I finalized everything, plugged everything in the next morning, and then I went to go play a game, and it crashed. Moral of the story is I had a bad GPU. I went back to the store, exchanged it, and it worked perfectly fine, and I'm getting in and around the range of 150, 120 FPS on games that I like to play. So it all worked out. I got a little bit of a heart attack when my GPU failed. I thought I did something wrong, but it's all fixed now, and everyone is happy, and all the lights are fantastic. How was your weekend? It was good. I built a PC, and then I went to the amusement park and burnt my face. I should have worn sunscreen. Don't tell Naomi. But she was right. Do you have any new collaborations in the works? I'm always talking back and forth with multiple companies in terms of doing a review for them. There is one that is coming up, and it's a pretty big one. I just don't want to announce anything before it falls through, but I'm excited for it, and you guys will obviously see what it is, and you'll know exactly which one I'm talking about once it potentially is released. We're very close to figuring it all out. What do you think of Mac OS Mojave? I think it's Mojave, right? Well, funny enough, I'm downloading it as we speak, and I'm not installing it because I need to edit this video, but I will give you a video very shortly about my opinion on the matter. I'm very excited, and they keep publicizing or making articles and making videos about this dark mode, and I hope that is not just the dark mode that differentiates the two. And I'm sure there are a ton of other features that really make this OS much more powerful than High Sierra, but I really hope it's more than the dark mode. Dark mode, 100% really cool, but I hope it's a little bit more than just, you know, dark mode. When are you releasing a what's on my phone video? So I'll leave a link down in the description to the most recent one. I could absolutely do another one. There hasn't been too many changes to what's actually on my phone. A few more apps here and there, but yeah, sure. I will absolutely do an updated what's on my phone video. That was a bunch of questions from you guys. Thank you again for asking those questions. I love kind of having these discussions with you guys. Huge fan of them. Anyways, thank you again for asking the questions. Thank you again for tuning in. If you guys like this video, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. For additional brownie points, please follow me on all my social media. Links can of course be found down in the description, but for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.